is up, guys? Like, literally, what is up? Like, literally, what is up? Clouds, yes. And if you guessed sky, but you'd also be wrong. Even though clouds and sky are up, what is the third thing that goes up? Helicopters. Yeah. Well, helicopter and plane spotting. Yeah. You know, I just thought of that intro sketch, like, just before I started recording. I found another plane. I found my first plane. Can I get a good zoom into that plane? No, I cannot. It will not let me get a good zoom into that plane. Where is that plane go? Oh, you saw it first. Yay. Yep. Yeah, it looks like it's turning here. Yeah, that's definitely turning here. Hi, plane. What's up? What's up? Oh, it's so greasy now. I guarantee you I can just... Yeah, I'm pretty sure... Yeah, that's a Delta. We got those a lot here. I have a brother who also likes plane spotting. Goodbye, Delta. But I just, really like plane spotting. Yeah, I just got back from school, if you couldn't tell. Oh, there's another plane. It's in the trees. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see it. Actually, I'm planinating. I'm planinating. I don't know what that means, but I'm planinating. Now that I think of it, I don't know if leaving my backpacks there good or not, but I don't know. Also, are people really gonna steal my homework? None in the sky. Maybe this was actually a bad time to go plane spotting. Oh, I think I hear one. I hear it. I see it. You can't though. That's so far 3 planes spotted, and only 1 that I could record for you. Let's see how far this can zoom in. Wow. Okay, that's not a lot. Oh, I hear it. It's coming. Where is it? Spotting for real life and in my phone for these planes. Is it like right above me? Where is it? Oh! Once again, why do I keep forgetting to record these planes? Feels like one's just about to crash. Oh, there's a car. Why am I getting scared? Why am I getting scared? I don't know why I was getting scared. Oh, there's another. Why am I getting scared of cars? I know there's gonna be a plane there. I know there's gonna be a plane there. I just know it. Oh, plane alert. I have no clue what that is. Maybe because it's so far. I just lost it. It's going in the leaves. And now it's going away. All right. Well, I lost track of it, so time to zoom out. Anyways. Comment if you spotted a plane in the footage that I did not spot, but I definitely did spot that plane. Come to Papa. Alright. Yeah, that's, I'm pretty sure, another Delta. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a Delta. Can I zoom in to see? Yeah, I already read that it's a Delta, but still. Anyways, Right. Oh, the bird scared me. Why does everything scare me now? Why does everything scare me? I am so easily get scared. And then I'm so easily scared, yet I just had a thought of jumping in the road. That's a horrible idea. Oh, plane. Oh, it blurred and I lost track of it. And then I found track of it again. And then it went into the tree, never to be seen again. Oh, it's another plane. Alright, let's go. There are plane sounds everywhere. Why? Okay, now there's no plane sounds everywhere. Can you still see that plane? Thank you to zooming for being a thing. Because if zooming wasn't a thing, then most of these planes I couldn't be able to record. I hear another plane. I am shivering. Boom, 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 boom. That's my shivering dance, even though you only got to see 1% of it. I am shivering. Boom, 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 boom. I need to use the bathroom, but we're gonna spot a few more planes or just be out here for a few more minutes. Maybe not spot a few more planes at all. I see that there's an Amazon truck, but that's not an Amazon plane. Yeah, Amazon planes actually do exist. They're called Prime. My brother's still in here. No, he's not. Although his backpack is. But I don't think backpacks classify as humans. Okay, I need to go to the bathroom. Ah! Oh yay! The Amazon is getting closer. Now you can actually see that's actually Amazon. Oh my! Oh, gosh. I'm still plane spotting. Can you bring it in? Because I want to continue plane spotting for now. I hear planes, yet I don't see planes. No, I saw a plane. I saw another plane. You see that plane, right? You see that plane. I'm not going crazy. You see that plane, right? Why does it sound like my dog's out? My dog is not out. Donnie! Sadie! Yeah, they're not out. Okay, something tells me that there is going to be either a windstorm. Oh, that's the dog. Yeah. Oh, plane. That's like a different plane or something. Okay, I lost track of the stupid plane again, but it's gonna come. You cannot see it. Great. Anyways, what do you say, like 2 more minutes of plane spotting? Yeah, so 11:31, I'm gonna end this video, but not like 11:31 at the night, but this video is gonna be at least 11 seconds. Yeah. Obviously, it's gonna be at least 11 seconds. I said it was gonna be at least, that's what I meant, at least 11 minutes. But I'm sorry, but I actually don't feel like staying out here for one more minute just filming this stupid mailbox. But I'm supposed to be filming planes. If you have not clicked off of the video and are still here watching me just wander around when I'm trying to film planes, then just congrats. Congrats. I'm already bored. Alright, I really need to pee so badly. It is so cold out here, and there are almost no planes in the sky. So I am just gonna upload this video to YouTube in the bathroom. I'm gonna try and get a zoom in on that plane. Well, I could not, but that mailbox is gonna keep you guys company while I go to the bathroom. So goodbye. There's a car. Alright, what am I doing? Alright, forward. Alright, goodbye.